Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start a new topic, and the topic name is report writing. So, at first, we will understand what is the meaning of report writing and what are the types of report writing and why do we write this report. All right. So, the report writing is nothing but a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place. So when we represent or give presentation of any event that has already taken place in a very systematic and well organized manner, then it is known as report writing. Basically, there are two kinds of report writing. The first one is report related on any accident, and second, report related to event or any function or the celebration. All right. And now we'll understand why do we write this report. The motto behind this writing report is in order to bring awareness in the society, a report is written. Your concept will be more clear when you will see the model question and model questions based on report writing and their solution. All right, so I will give you later on. At first, try to understand this concept. Next one is what article writing. So, what is the meaning of article writing? Article writing is also a kind of or a piece of writing that is published in either newspaper or magazine. It may be related to some current issues. Sometimes what happens, some burning topics come again and again the news. So you can find out the article in the newspaper as well as in the magazine, because mostly articles are related to some current topic or current issues. Now come to the descriptive paragraph. So what is the meaning of descriptive paragraph? The name, the title suggests that a paragraph that describes something. Alright, it can describe a person, it can describe a place or anything. Most important point, that is second most important point in descriptive paragraph, to understand the verbal clues and the pictorial clues. Now what is the meaning of verbal clues and the pictorial clues? So basically these two kinds of question are asked in this descriptive paragraph. First type, you will be spoken to write the descriptive paragraph and you will be given some verbal clues, like few points will be written there, and by keeping, suppose that the topic is what, pollution. All right, so they will give you what is pollution, kinds of pollution, like some hints will be given in words, that is known as what, verbal clues. And by keeping these points in your mind, you have to write. Similarly here, pictorial clues, like sometimes in question paper you will be given some picture. Suppose that Mahatma Gandhi's picture will be given there, and suppose that you, in the question paper, the examiner gave you what, the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, and you will be spoken to write about this great personality, great leader, that is the father of the nation. So some hints will be given to you. Basically, it may be, the hints may be given in the form of what, verbal clues, or it may be in the form of what, pictorial clues. Your concept will be more clear when I will give you model example of descriptive paragraph. So let me give you the model example of descriptive paragraph. So you can see here one question based on report writing. One by one we will discuss the all kinds of writing. But before going to start this topic, or before going to give you example of this report writing, I want to tell you one more thing. In your exam question paper, you will be given option like you will be given option for the report writing, article writing, and descriptive paragraph. So in your exam, you have to only attempt, you have to do only one among three. If you find that article writing is easy, then you can do that question. If it seems to you that descriptive paragraph is given very easy, so you can do that descriptive paragraph. And similarly, if you find that article or report writing, whatever seems you easy, seems easy to you, you can do that. All right. So there is no foundation. Only you have to do any one among three, either report writing or article, or you can also write what the descriptive paragraph. It's your choice at all. So you can see the question paper here. Let me move the page little bit. So here the question is given as a student. Oh my God, what is happening here? As a student, reporter of your school magazine, write a report on the Workers' Day celebration in the school. Alright, so the question is given and you have to understand this, how to write this report. So I have attached the entire page you can see here and you can also write in your copy. Now, second important report writing I have given you another important report writing, that is you are Karuna, a special correspondent. Like first and second you have to do. First I have marked already and second already I have marked over here. So book week organize you can also do this one. This all three are very important. All right. Second and I gave you at first also, that was Workers' Day celebration. All right. So all these three you have to see. Now come to the another one, that is the article writing. I already made you understand what is the meaning of article writing, but you can take help of this explanation of article writing also, because this is given in Hindi and this will be helpful for you. So you can do practice of this following article writing. For the practice, some question is given, like first question is given. Life is not a cakewalk in the current time. Write an article on the trait one should possess to face difficulties in life with a positive attitude. You can use this clues given below. So here you can see this is what verbal clues. This is known as what verbal clues, because verbally it is given here. Some hints is given to you. That is why it is verbal clues. So you can see this one, first one, and the second one you have to also see here. Go solar, save the environment. All right. So this is also very important. You can see here the question, how they will ask the question. Taking ideas from the clue given below and write an article on Go Solar Save Environment. All right. So, mankind extremely dependent on activities that add to harmful emissions. Solar energy harnessed with modern technology, eco-friendly, clean and pure, positive effects on environment, greener and cleaner earth. So you can see here the verbal clues, and based on this article has been given and it is written by Kavita. So in your exam, you are not supposed to write the name. Whatever in the question, suppose that sometimes it will be given instruction to you in the exam, like you are Kavita and write a report on this topic. So whatever name will be given in the question, that you have to write. You don't have to write your actual name. Alright, now come to the descriptive paragraph. As I told you, descriptive paragraph suggests that describe something. It may be description of a person, a place, or anything. And I also I told you there are basically two kinds of descriptive paragraph. The first one is what, pictorial paragraph, and the second one is what, verbal paragraph. That means some verbal clues will be given to you. For example, you can see for the practice question, one I have taken from this book. This is question bank. So you can see here one picture is given of Taj Mahal, and you are spoken to write a descriptive paragraph based on the picture given below. So you have to only identify this building, and after that you can start writing about this Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, you know very well, it is located on the right bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. So you can see here the descriptive paragraph about this pictorial, like some hints is given. On the basis of this, you have to write this descriptive paragraph. Now I am going to give you some other example of descriptive paragraph in which visual clues or verbal clues will be given. Alright, visual clues means what? Some picture will be given, that is pictorial. So pictorial descriptive paragraph is known as also what? Visual clue. Alright, so you can see here, who is this man? Who is this great leader? This is Jawaharlal Nehru. Alright, so you can see here, you can prepare this also. It seems to me these are important. Now come to the verbal clues. Of example of descriptive paragraph in which verbal clues is given. Suppose that in question you will get, write a descriptive paragraph on your role model. So you can write whoever is ideal for you, whatever you feel that you can write in this descriptive paragraph. So kindly write these all three, whatever I gave you about Taj Mahal, uh, Jawaharlal Nehru, and one more, that is what, about your role model. Kindly prepare these all. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. In next class we will discuss whatever problem you are getting in this entire writing section. Thank you very much.